My name's Dita. We're here at the lovely Houghton Park and oh just kidding, but really I am Dita. And today we're gonna go over fakie drops. We're using this lovely background of Houghton to go from here to here. All right, we're talking a little bit about drops today, and we're gonna start from my tutorial with fakie drops, but I want to switch your mind from front to back. And as you're dropping in forward, you always want your knees above your toes, and that's how you control the front axle and your ability to turn. So naturally, when you're going backwards, you want that same thing, but your butt is acting as your knees. When we're gonna drop in fakie, we're gonna start from a toe stop, and we're gonna do a full release because I want all 8 wheels to hit the wall. And that's where your stability is coming from. No toe stops on the wall, no one foot, no heel only, and this will keep you safe in your drops. And I think that ultimately they're safer than dropping in forward. So as we approach the coping, we want to get our toe stop right there as close to the edge as you can. This is my strong foot. So this is always the foot that I want in the front. Whether I'm going forward, it's in the front, and when I'm going backwards, it's in the front, backwards. So as I'm going in here, that's the foot that I'm gonna bring back, and it'll end up behind me as this foot releases onto the wall. But ultimately, all 8 wheels are gonna smack at the same time. So as I go, this foot's gonna come up and snap back. Set, look behind you for other people, and snap back. So as I come back, when my non-dominant foot snaps into place, you'll notice it's gonna snap really close to where it came from, and that lets my body set into a staggered motion as this one is allowed to go back. And at the same time, they start like this, at the same time, they'll snap into place like this. I'm here, and snap. We're here, check behind me, and snap. As we move forward with this toe stop drop, right now we're using a very dramatic, my foot is here, now my foot is here movement. But as I move forward with this, I like to add drama and stability to this, but the footwork ultimately is the same. So when you stand with 2 toes, you pop back, and your feet will hit the same as you can see here. Balance our 1 toe, our 2nd toe, but we snap into the same staggered position. All right, here we are, taking it up a level. And snap. To recap, as we're going through the fakie drops, we're really focusing on keeping our feet staggered. Dropping 1 foot and then the other. We want to keep bent in a similar position as when we come forward, with butt back, leading, and looking where you're going. Again, my name is Dita. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial on fakie drops. For more tutorials on skating and having a great time, visit our channel and subscribe. Adios, dulce mundo. See ya.